Ashley, don't make me murder from last time when I was talking to someone on the phone.
Yes, true. I'm telling her don't make me murder her in front of you guys.
How's everybody tonight?
I'm good, thank you. Did everyone's exam go okay?
Oh, that test was so disgusting. I hated it.
So did I.
I was like, I hate this class. Well, no, I don't hate this class. I hate this test, and I hate everything else. So how's the weather in Rexburg, Cody?
It's really cold and rainy.
Oh, ew. It's cold
Waiting
here?
for snow, probably.
Ah. Have you been to the, what's it called yet? Oh my gosh. That haunted hay thing?
I haven't been yet. We haven't been to anything haunted yet.
It's funny because I didn't go last year. I probably should have, but I worked too much. Like, if you were here last fall, you would have always saw me in the testing center because that's literally where I was every single day.
It sucked.
Right.
Okay, so I haven't done any of the quiz. So just gonna let y'all know that. Have you started any of it?
No.
See? I'm not the only one.
Get some paper here.
My calculator. Is my calculator on this table? Oh, thank you. Okay. Okay, so I'm ready when everybody else is ready.
Okay. So the first one, let's see.
Question number 3.
This is my notes. Okay. So it wants to know a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is, okay, so O or sigma equals 50 and equals 25.
So we're looking for the margin of error.
Mm-hmm.
What is that equation again?
Let me look it up.
Oh my goodness. Please don't tell me this is what it is. If it's what I'm saying, it's x bar minus 2 sigma over square root of n, and then x bar plus 2 sigma over the square root of n.
Wow. So it's x bar.
I hate you. My friend just airdropped me a picture of a baboon's butt.
Oh, that's funny.
I hate you.
So can you repeat the equation just so I make sure that I'm typing this right?
X bar minus 2 sigma over the square root of n, comma, x bar plus 2 sigma over the square root of n. Do we always use 2?
I don't know.
Oh, because we're doing the confidence interval. Yeah, because remember, 68 is 1, 95 is 2,
okay, yeah.
99.7 is 3.
Yep, okay.
So yeah, that does make sense.
Okay.
And so, but we're doing for a 90% confidence interval. I don't know what that means.
Mm-hmm.
Do you guys have an idea?
I'm thinking it's 16.45.
How did you like come up to that conclusion? Because I haven't even started.
Because we have to solve for x. Let me look at the wiki book.
We have to use 6.145 instead of 2? 1.645.
Okay.
1.645. How did you get that? It was in the book.
Okay.
Really? I didn't see that. The example they used. Okay. That makes sense. But you can put it into the probability outlet and do 0.9. That'll be 90% error. Oh yeah, because you just type 0.9000 and it'll give you what it should be, right? Or maybe, oh, my probability applet is broken. So what's X bar? Yeah, I don't know. That's not what we're calculating. No. So I think we already did it all. Huh? We don't know that we need to know X bar. Because the 0.165 times the sigma divided by the square root, that's going to be the confidence interval no matter what. So we don't need X bar? I don't think so. That's just the mark it's asking. Like, if it was asking for what the confidence interval together would be, we would need to know it. But I think just knowing that it's a 90% confidence interval is enough. Oh. And margin of error is calculated as m is equal to z star all over the sigma over the square root of it.
Okay.
So it would be 1.645. Sorry. And it would be 50 divided over 25. I mean the square root of 25, which is 5, right? No. I lied.
It's 10. So 50 divided by the square root of 25. Is that what you said?
Yeah, the square root of 25 is 5. I was right. So it would be 50 divided by 5, which is 10.
Right.
10 times 1.645. Is that what you have, Cody?
Yes. That's how I got it.
16? Did you get 16.45?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I just needed to see for myself how it was done. I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. Okay, which of the following statements is true?
I think it's X bar is the point is no, sorry, whoops. It's the one the sigma. Sigma is an interval estimator of X bar, right?
Sigma 2? I don't know what sigma 2 is.
Sigma squared?
Okay, sigma squared.
X bar is an estimator of
I think it's the X bar is the point estimator of the mu.
Oh, see, I said that, but then I just kind of went back on my question. Never mind. What is the point estimate on the next one? Oh, point estimate is the one that's X bar minus whatever. So it'd be 526. Yeah. Minus 526. over 113 over the square root of 64, which is, I don't know. I don't remember algebra anymore.
Is the point estimate x bar?
Yeah, but we're given x bar, which is 526.
Okay.
Well, it could just be asked what the answer is.
Yeah. I think it's
What's it?
526.
You think it's 526?
Uh-huh.
Okay, because I thought, okay, I'll just write 526.
Okay, so now we do the same equation but for 95%.
And I think that
It says, what is the margin of error?
I think it's 28.25.
So you did n is equal to.
Oh, right.
So what did you get for the z-score for the 95 confidence interval? It is? Oh, yeah, because it's 2 standard deviations away from the mean.
So it's 1.645. Is that right?
Hold on. I don't move that fast. I got 28.25.
Okay.
What did you get?
2.
So what are you, like, what are the numbers that you're typing in?
So what I did was I took 2 because it's a 95% confidence interval, so it's 2 standard deviations from the mean. And then I did 113 divided by 8, which is the square root of 64.
Okay.
And I got 28.25.
I got the same answer.
What did you do, Cody?
So did you say you went 113 divided by 8?
Yeah. Because isn't that what we're supposed to do for margin of error? Because it's the square root of n. The square root of 64 is 8.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, and Malia, I'm sorry you're sick. It sucks.
Thanks.
Yeah. I think that's right.
Okay.
It sounds right from what you guys are explaining.
Because that's how we did the last one, no?
Yes.
Okay. This is, what is the lower limit of this confidence interval? Do you know how to calculate limits?
Well, you just subtract the confidence interval from the x bar. So I got 497.75.
497.75.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm
I
confused.
took 526 minus our confidence interval.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Which is 95, right? Or is it 2? Yeah, 95.
So our confidence interval is at 28.25. Well, we just calculated.
Oh. And that's the lower limit?
Mm-hmm.
I'm used to, what's that one thing? SPSS doing this for me.
Yes. It'd be much easier.
So the upper limit would be, so it would be 526 minus, what do you think?
So is it 526 minus the lower? Or minus the 113?
I don't know. But I will look.
Huh? It's 526 minus the 28.25. And then the upper one is 526 plus 28.25.
Wait, what?
For the upper limit,
Uh-huh.
you take X bar and you add or subtract the confidence interval depending on whether you want the upper or lower limit.
So we do 526 plus 28.25.
For the upper limit, yeah.
Oh, okay. Now that makes sense. So I got 554.25.
Okay.
Yep.
And can you say the lower again?
The lower limit would be X bar minus whatever you got for whatever you got for the confidence interval. So basically the margin of error. So you're either going to plus or minus depending on if you're doing the upper or lower limit.
Okay.
The answer is 497.75.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size? I thought that it would. I don't know. Would it increase?
It should decrease because you're more confident the more people you have.
True.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Okay, that makes sense. What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to a 99%? It would increase, right?
It would get wider, right?
Yeah, so it would increase.
To the width.
Okay. This is a tongue twister. Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is sigma is equal to 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. Okay. Oh my goodness, they give us the confidence interval for Z star. I just now thought about this. I just now saw this. Whoops. You're cutting out, Malia. I can't hear you. What?
So it's 50 equals 2
Uh-huh.
400 divided by the square root of x.
So it's 50 equals 2
Times
2 times 400,
divided by the square root of x.
the square root of x, which is,
That's what we're calculating.
oh, x squared.
Not x squared. Well, if you multiply it, yeah.
Well, don't we have to multiply it by both sides so that we can get it out of the denominator?
I divide it by 2 first, though, because then you don't have to do it by that.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So x in the, you're talking about like x like this, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So you divide it all by 2 so that you can cancel that out. And so you get 50 divided by 2 equals 400 over x squared. No. Well, the square root of x.
Mhm.
And then
Multiply it by square root from x on both sides, and then take 400 divided by whatever.
Wait, can you multiply the square root on both sides?
Well, you would just change it to x squared.
Oh, okay.
It's going to be 4.
And so we have x squared times 50 divided by 2 equals 400. I'm really confused. So x squared times 25 is equal to 400. So how do we solve?
I think it's the answer 16.
Okay, I'm just going to go with that because I've gotten confused.
16, right? Or 60?
16.
Okay.
I do sound like a baby. Okay, the mean salaries of actuaries is mu is equal to 100,000, and the standard deviation is 36,730.
Okay.
You are interested to know the mean salary of women actuaries is different from the population mean, but are not sure if it is higher or lower. You set up a hypothesis test with the level of significance of alpha is equal to 0.05. And you have your null and alternative hypotheses. You can collect the sample, blah, blah, blah. Okay, the lower limit is going to be 111,000 minus wait. Point what? 0.05.
Because it said the level of significance is exactly 0.05. What's the other one? But I don't know.
Well, no, because I'm saying we didn't have sigma. I mean, we didn't have alpha in the other one, and we didn't calculate it that way. That's why I'm just a little confused.
Oh, that's alpha.
Yeah.
Collect a simple random sample of n equals.
So do we have to calculate for the margin of error first and then do it?
Figure of speech. See? Yeah. So, you're today.
N is equals 36.
No, you're insane. No. So you can get everything else on this page and put it. So Cody, what conclusion did you come up to?
Okay, so Z star is 1.96. Okay.
Were you wanting me to question? Yeah, but I was stopping you. I'm gonna do it again.
I think it's 99,002.
99,002.
Uh-huh.
So you calculated the margin of error first, right?
Right.
Which is gonna be, since we're doing a 95, it's gonna be 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
All over 36, 730. All over. Oh crap.
Do you want to
That's
double
square root
check
of
that?
36. Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Okay.
And we do the square root of 36, right?
Right, and that's 6.
Okay, so it's gonna be 36, 730 divided by 6. Which is 61.667. Which is going to be multiplied by 2. So I got, that is a really big number. I got 12. Oh my goodness. I got 122, 12,024. Wait, yeah. It's a large number and I'm getting confused. Okay,
I think I might have done it wrong.
243.33. Maybe I did it wrong. What did you get, Malia?
I have the same answer you did.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah, I think I did it wrong.
And so then it goes 100,000 minus 12,243.33 equals.
I just do 12,242. I think I just rounded.
12. Huh?
I just rounded.
What did you round?
I got 12,242.
See, I couldn't do that because in my calculator it shows. Oh crap.
Actually, I got the same answer. That's the same.
Okay, because I'm like, it had a point there. So I got 9,875. 6.67. Okay, so I got 98,756.67. Is that what you guys got? Or no? No?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. What did you do, Cody, so I can see where we possibly have went wrong, but didn't?
I think I put in the wrong number.
Okay, that makes sense.
So you got 9864.
I got 98,756.67. Is that what you got, Malia? Oh,
was
you
it?
have to round it to the nearest whole number. So it's 98.
Yeah.
It's 98,757, right?
Because it would round up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ow.
Okay, I have to go. I have to go back to work.
Okay.
So I will just watch the video you posted.
Okay.
Okay.
If you post it, if not, but yeah.
Okay.
Y'all posted it. We're recording.
Thanks. See ya.
Mm-hmm.
No problem. See ya. And then for the upper limit, it's just going to be 1,1,1,0,0 plus 12,243.33. Am I right or am I wrong?
So that's 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3.33. Is that the answer you got?
I got 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3.33. Well, we have to round it to the nearest whole number, so it's just going to be 123.
Uh-huh. And 243.
43. Yeah.
Okay.
And then question 14 is all of the above.
Okay. So,
Do you want to submit it first, or do you want me?
yeah, let me make sure I have all the answers.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, I'll submit it.
Let's hope we got these right. I hope we got these right.
We got a 71.
Uh-oh.
So,
What did we miss?
so 12 and 13 are wrong. 11 is wrong. 8 is wrong. 7 is wrong. 6 is wrong.
Oh my goodness. Almost everything is wrong.
Yeah.
Oh my Lanta. Okay, so
Jeez.
so 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, 6, 7, 8,
11,
11,
12, and 13, right?
12, 13, yeah.
Okay. So
I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go back. I'm gonna have to go and watch these videos
me too.
to try and re-go through it.
Because I don't know what the heck.
Mm-hmm. And then, did we want to do lesson 11 today?
It would just be me and you doing that. So we have two options. We can stop recording now.
Uh-huh.
And then start recording lesson 11.
Mm-hmm.
Or we can wait until we find another free time for everybody and we can all do lesson 11 together.
Okay.
Because I feel like it would be kind of...
We should probably wait for Gabe, I feel.
Yeah, because like if they don't join in, they get a 0, and I would feel
Yeah.
pretty bad if
Yeah.
we at least give them the option to join in.
Yeah.
So I'm free Thursday. We can do it Thursday.
Okay.
Or even tomorrow. Are you free?
I'm free tomorrow. Let's see. I'm free tomorrow evening. Yeah.
Okay, so you want to do it tomorrow evening or Thursday?
Let's do it tomorrow evening.
Okay.
So
I'll
should we
send
do
out the
6
email
or
right
7? Should we say? Because
We should try to do 6.
Okay.
Only because, like, it seems like earlier is better. But
Okay.
I'll email and I'll say 6 or 7, and
Okay.
we'll see who writes us back.
Okay.
For some reason, it will not let me reply to everybody. It just only lets me reply to you.
Oh, weird.
I know. It's so strange. Okay.
You still have to go to details. Because, I mean, make your best. I don't know.
Let's plan on tomorrow.
When I get there.
Okay. Yeah, I told him. I said, okay, tomorrow we're gonna meet for lesson 11.
Okay.
At 6
Yeah.
MST.
6 what?
MST. So
Okay.
your time. If that isn't feasible, then
And tomorrow, like during the day, I'll try and go through some of the quiz questions to see how difficult they're gonna be.
Okay.
I just didn't have time to go through it today.
Do you want to just, because, so what are we going to do for this quiz? Do you want to just stop recording, upload this, and then we just try to figure the answers out tomorrow, and then we can just try to go over it tomorrow? Or, because you can't submit yours again tonight.
What?
Because I'm talking about for this quiz, because even though it says it closes tonight, technically it doesn't close until Saturday. Like, it's still open until Saturday.
Okay.
So do you just want to go look at the videos, and then we can come back tomorrow and try to figure out the rest of lesson 10?
Yeah, I think we should.
Because, like, Malia's going to think that these answers are correct, and they're not, and
Right.
we have no idea what to do.
Yeah.
And so we have to stop the recording. Do you just want to... Yeah. So
We'll do that
what do you think
tomorrow,
about
yeah.
that? Okay. So I'll try to figure it out. If I can't figure it out, which I probably won't be able to, we'll just see tomorrow.
Okay. Sounds good. I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow, Cody. Have a great night.
Bye.
Bye-bye.